61. South 25, 765. Southwest 25, 67, line approach, runway 107, maintain 4,000. 4,000, 107. Delta 2389, advise the airport, say when able.
2389, we will.
November 41 Tango Foxtrot, cross runway 21 right, kind of ground point 6 on the other side.
Across the right side, over to ground, 4 tail mark.
393 Echo Sierra, Peachtree Tower. Runway 21 right. Clear for takeoff and left turn northeastbound this clear.
21 right, clear for takeoff. Towards to the northeast direction. Peachtree. 96 Sierra Bravo, holding short, 21 right.
November 996 Sierra Bravo. Traffic on the upwind will be left turn out to northeast, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, make right close trap.
Verify 487, clear to land.
47 Sierra Lima, asking. 17 Sierra Lima, clear to land, up runway 21 left.
21 left, thanks, 7 Sierra Lima.
996 Sierra Bravo, make right close traffic, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, close traffic, 21 right, clear for takeoff. Sierra Bravo.
November 73924, runway 21 right, clear for the option.
Runway 21 right, clear for touch and go, 73924.
4343.
Hotel 4343, proceed as requested for now, or are you just going to cross the 285, cross the approach end?
Yep, that is correct, 4343.
November 47 Sierra Lima, can you make that right at Foxtrot?
I think we can, 7 Sierra Lima.
November 7 Sierra Lima, turn right at Foxtrot, cross runway 21 right, then kind of ground point 6 on the other side.
Right, Foxtrot, cross 21 right, contact ground, 7 Sierra Lima.
November 786 Hotel Delta, speech shot, change departure frequency 121.0.
21.0 Hotel Delta.
November 280 Papa Charlie, Peachtree Tower, change departure frequency 121.0.
121.020 Papa Charlie.
996 Sierra Bravo, traffic off to your left and about 3 miles is a banner to aircraft from your left to right. For 996 Sierra Bravo, traffic off to your left and about 3 miles is a banner to aircraft from your left to right. For 996 Sierra Bravo Tower, how do you hear? 996 Sierra Bravo, if you hear me, ident. Banner 4343 traffic at your 2 o'clock and a mile on the downwind at 2000 Cessna. I'm not sure if he's hearing me or not, so keep an eye out for him.
Have been site 4343.
Thank you. Number 6 here, Papa, okay? I see your identing, so you're hearing me. I'm not able to hear anything you're saying, so try a different radio if you can. Runway 21 right, clear for the option.
Peachtree Tower, cover 6, southeast, like perimeter west transition.
Number 6655, proceed as requested, ident. Peachtree altimeter is 3018.
3018 for 6 Wing Papa.
Number 393 Echo Sierra, please change please.
Mr. Change, please. Upper 3 Echo Sierra, good day.
996 Sierra Bravo, runway 21 right, clear to land, full stop.
Clear to land, full stop, 996 Sierra Bravo.
November 73924, report midfield left, or right downwind rather.
Report wind midpoint at right downwind 73924.
November 328 Mike Charlie, continue down to Delta, turn right at Delta and hold short of runway 21 right, remain this way.
Hold short of 21 right. Make one call. Tower 233 Charlie Delta.
November 786 Hotel Delta, Peachtree Tower. Turn right heading 290, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Right 290, clear for takeoff 21 left, Hotel Delta.
Midway of the downwind 73924.
November 73924, runway 21 right, clear touch and go.
Runway 21 right, clear for touch and go 73924.
November 996 Sierra Bravo, turn right at Foxtrot, kind of ground point 6.
Bravo.
For 6 Sierra Bravo right at Foxtrot, kind of ground point 6, check the radio when you get off.
Nah,
Copy that. 9860 Bravo.
November 328 Mike Charlie cross, runway 21 right, gonna ground point 6.
Cross at 21 right, over to ground, 8 Mike Charlie.
November 103 Alpha Victor. Pitch tower, just stand by one more Alpha aircraft to get out, you'll be gone.
No problem.
November 103 Alpha Victor, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. Traffic on the parallel citation will be a right turn, and then left turn eastbound is free. November 73924, go around.
Go around 73924.
103 Alpha Victor, cancel takeoff, clearance traffic, short final there. Cancel takeoff.
Go Victor, continue.
Want to hold here?
Go Alpha Victor, 2 and right, you're cleared for takeoff. You can make a left turn to the east.
Okay, 2 and right, clear for takeoff, left turn to the east, 3 Alpha Victor.
6 Delta, update. Contact, land departure 121.0.
Forge, nice level. Good evening, Clear 233 Charlie Delta.
73924, start a right crosswind, report right base, 2 and right.
Red crosswind, start, report right base.
Banner 4343, you can continue eastbound, or are you going to orbit the junction?
We're actually going to head north of 85.
Roger.
Cheers from the north at 3200, ident. Cheers from the north at 3200, ident. November 280 Pop Charlie, Peachtree Tower, turn right heading 290, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Right, heading 290, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff, November 280 Pop Charlie.
Cheers from the north, say call sign.
Cheers, 233 Charlie Delta, we're about 8 northwest.
Cheers, 233 Charlie Delta, Peachtree Tower, ident, one more time.
Hey, Charlie Delta, I think you're 8 just about northeast of us, not northwest, correct?
Report right base, 73924.
73924, runway 21 right, clear touch and go.
Runway 21 right, clear touch and go, 73924.
223 Charlie Delta, verify you're about 6.5, 7 to the northeast, not northwest.
North-northeast, correct, 3 Charlie Delta.
Okay, thanks.
So 3 Charlie Delta, continue straight in for runway 21 right.
Straight in, 21 left, 3 Charlie Delta.